Have you ever tried Jamaican herbs in your cooking or for medicinal purposes? If not, you're missing out on some incredible benefits. In this video, we're going to explore the many uses of Jamaican herbs and how they can enhance your health and wellness. Jamaica is known for its rich culture and vibrant cuisine, and herbs play a significant role in both. The country's tropical climate and fertile soil provide the perfect environment for growing a variety of herbs, many of which have been used for centuries for their healing properties. Ginger. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to soothe digestive issues such as nausea and bloating. Ginger can also improve circulation and boost the immune system. Sorrel is high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help support immune system and fight inflammations. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that is used in skincare and for its healing properties. It is known for its ability to soothe sunburns and other skin irritations. Aloe vera also aids in digestion and supports a healthy immune system. Jamaica has a wide variety of mints that are used to make tea and other beverages. Mint helps to soothe stomach issues and improve overall digestion. Fever grass, also known as lemongrass, is a popular herb in Jamaican cooking and medicine. It is known for its antifungal and antibacterial properties, as well as its ability to soothe digestive issues and reduce inflammation. Guinea hen weed is a powerful herb that is used in Jamaica for its immune boosting properties. It is believed to have antiviral and anti-cancer effects and is commonly used to support overall health and wellness. The best part of the guinea hen weed is said to be its root, so you boil and drink. Turmeric is a spice that is commonly used in Jamaican cuisine and medicine. Also called curry ginger, turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to support liver function. It also improves digestion and boosts the immune function. Also called bitter medicine, cerasee is one of Jamaica's favorites. Its many therapeutic benefits originate from its rich antioxidant content. It lowers cholesterol, kills parasites and worms, relieves constipation, lowers blood sugar and pressure, aids in digestion, treats skin rashes and eczema, flush drug-related toxins from the body, treat menstrual cramps, among many other benefits. Jamaican herbs are a powerful way to enhance your health and wellness. Whether you're looking to soothe digestive issues, boost your immune system, or improve your overall well-being, there is always a Jamaican herb that can help. Until next time, remember to live good, live healthy, and live colorful.